Hello, everyone. Whew, I am finally off of work. It's Tuesday. My days are just starting to move. This Friday is my birthday. So I'm finally off of work and I'm on my way to pick up my son. He has speech therapy tonight. So I'm going to stop and get him a milkshake. And I think I'm going to get me one too. So I'm going to get us some milkshakes. So by the time I get to pick him up and while we're driving to therapy, he can enjoy a milkshake, okay? So excuse how I look. Today was a rough day. Let me tell you, today was a day, okay? But I wanted to go ahead and tell you guys how my YouTube journey is going, right? This was curled earlier. You could tell, child, I was working. The patients was winning today, okay? The patients were winning, but it is what it is. I love what I do. So, I wanted to discuss with y'all my YouTube journey. So, a lot of you guys know. If you don't know, check out the live. I was on live when I actually hit 1,000 subscribers. Right now, I'm at like 1,080 subscribers. And, you know, I had slacked off a little bit, I will say, about going live and just, you know, putting videos out there, because the app I was using to edit my videos and stuff, that app was driving me crazy. And then Sunday I had a huge migraine, so I didn't go live. And I realized with YouTube, you have to continue to show up. You know, you have to consistently show up. And we know that with anything, you have to be consistent, right? So I wanted to let y'all know that so far on this YouTube journey, we know I have major goals, right? My dental work, moving, which I got to get, you know, furniture, and my car needs repairs. So I got a lot of stuff going on. And then also just to have an additional stream of income to be able to take care of my son and what he needs or whatever. So it has been, I always say it wrong. You know what I'm talking about. So I started getting paid. I became a YouTube partner with 1,000 subscriber, 4,000 watch hours on Saturday. Clicked on my videos to get, you know, the money or whatever like that. Today I did my verification of my address and everything like that. You know, I had to take a picture of the front of my ID and the back of my ID. Boom, that process went on. I kept looking like, well, dang, when am I going to be able to enter my payment information? When am I going to be able to enter my payment information? Like, where y'all going to pay me at? So I had to research that or whatever. I did look at some other ways I can go ahead and make money. I did go ahead and post more shorts, which, okay, so we just going to get into it. So with my shorts, so today's Tuesday, so we have Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. It's uploaded already, the information. So at first it started off at $12 and some change per 1,000 views. Then the next day it went up to $13 and some change for 1,000 views. Now it is at $14 and some change for 1,000 views. Boom. Okay. So I gotta really get my views up. Last month I did close to 133,000 views, but I worked my ass off. I put in some work, and then when I calculated, that would be close to $1,800. So really, I need to be at like, you know, which I'm thankful for. That would be great if I could get that. You know, I'm not complaining or whatever like that. But for me to really, like, you know I have to continue to go hard. I have to continue to post content. Like, I gotta show up. So here it is, y'all. And I guess I need to also, I know y'all like, damn, just get to the point, dog. You doing all that talking. Like, get to the point. Okay, so anyway, 3 days, I'm at $50. We know the end of the month closes on, so what, Thursday. So I got Wednesday and Thursday to be able to make some more money to be able to get a check on November 21st. So I'm at $50, and I'm like, that's good, that ain't bad or whatever. But I know I need to do more, and I will do more. I know this is dependent on me. I make sure I engage with my subscribers. I make sure I'm utilizing shorts more so I can go ahead and get my subscribers up. I want to be going live more and more and more, because that's really gonna build that, that family type, my squad. I don't want to say my supporters or anything like that, because I want us to support each other. If you starting a page, you let me know. Boom, boom, boom. We in this together at the end of the day. So yes, so right now I'm at $50. My goal is to make like $75 more just for this part, and then I know, dang, November I gotta go hard. Like, I gotta make it happen, and I know I will. I need to be more consistent with the content I put out. I do a lot of reaction. I'm gonna start, I only react to one person, but I'm gonna start reacting to Married to Medicine, which starts November 24th. So that's gonna be the end of November. But I was thinking about doing like a binge watch episode, so I don't know. I'm gonna react to some other shows, probably react to some other some other content creators or whatever like that. I want to get away from so much of old girl, because it's just a lot. It's just a lot to take in or whatever. And of course, I want to make sure I continue to put out content, like my videos and stuff, to motivate women. And we're all in this together. So y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe. I appreciate each and every one of you. And yeah, we in this. Let's do this. Let's do it. Y'all have a good one. $50, not bad.